Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. There is our boat. The truck is supposed to be on there. It will be here in a few days, so during that time we are going to work on the 3 pieces of paperwork. We also got our snail mail from the seller that has 2 BOLs, export certificate, and invoice. We're gonna try the mic again. Last video, Zoso recommended to change the setting to default communication device, and we'll see if the voiceover is a little bit better.
Okay, this is where we left off. I filed ISF, got a confirmation email. I'm still a little salty that I picked the most expensive option. I thought this $25 one was already a really good deal, but found an even less expensive one at $10. So if I was ever to do this again, we are going with easy imports. And the expensive one I use said it would be $250 for custom entry. We are doing this ourselves for the YouTube. That is the 3 forms we're gonna fill out. Next email I got is cargo fees. Here's some information on that. I used the online payment option, got a little service charge for the credit card. Next email is more information on picking up the vehicle. We need to set up an appointment, and that requires custom clearance. The forms is all from this website by Witty Melon. It's very detailed. He has most of his filled out, but each of these boxes have a description on what you need to put in there and what numbers correlate to what. We thought maybe we're able to file via email, but every port is different. I've been trying to call our Long Beach number here, and I even emailed them, but couldn't get anybody on the line. So we are headed to Long Beach today. But before that, here is our boat. I think that's our boat. Should be here in a few days. Let's get ready and head out.
We're back from port, and unfortunately we were unable to get any of the clearance stuff done because this is my first time coming across 2 forms of government ID. I will make sure to have my passport and driver's license when we head over there next week. The good news is we have some wine while we edit this. Video number 178 done.